Check out this Nissan 2015 Rogue S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are L93, floor mats and 5 PC cargo area protector included, 2 PC front and 2 PC second row floor mats, charcoal cloth seat trim, X1S family package included, run flat tires delete spare tire third row seating privacy glass, glacier white, B92, splash guards, front wheel drive, power steering, ABS and 4-wheel disc brakes. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.